Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're going out and I saw a Pinterest hairstyle that I know I want to do tonight. I'll put it right here so you guys can get the inspo. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm heating up my straightener, the Kristen straightener. This is such a good one. Then I'm gonna slick my hair back, but I'm not gonna use gel. I'm gonna use this JVN Deep Moisture Mask. And we're gonna get the hair all sleeked up. I'm gonna take my rings off so they don't get dirty in what we're about to do. Gosh, okay, I think I'm gonna change like a few things about the hairstyle. I probably should get like a spray bottle and fill it with water. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but we're gonna try. I feel like whenever I have to slick back my hair, it takes like the most focus. I'm gonna hold this like this. Wait, what on earth? How am I supposed to do this? Canes? Yeah. Can you do me a favor? Yeah. I have to bring in reinforcements. Could you come in here and hold my hair like this really quick? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I have to like put the product in it.
Nice.
Okay, I think I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
You sure?
I think so. Okay. Thank you.
No worries.
I'm gonna take the brush. My arms are so tired from that. Crap, why do I feel like that didn't do what I wanted it to? Okay. Okay, that feels good. Okay, and then we roll this. You guys, my hands are so tired. Wait, this is actually really cute. Okay, and then taking the Kristen like workable hairspray. I'm kind of like trying to patch together parts so that they like stick more. Wait, this is so funny. And then for this like lower part of my hair, I feel like I'm gonna do like a little swoop-de-swoop, if you know what I mean, with the straightener. So I'm gonna take heat protectant. Spray. Wait, I'm actually gonna feel like I'm gonna love this hairstyle. I also have thermal rollers that I could try and see if that works better. Okay, I finished the hair and I ended up changing what I was doing because I was using the straightener and it just wasn't working. Like it wasn't giving the oomph I wanted and it was kind of leaving, you know, if you don't move your straightener fast enough, it like makes that little indent. So I was doing that. So I changed to this curler with the clamp and then I put in my thermal rollers. So I'll take them out when I finish the makeup and hopefully they'll have a nice little flow to them. So let's start with the makeup. I'm really particular about my pre-makeup like skincare routine because I honestly feel like it either makes or breaks the look, especially if you're going for like a healthy glow. I'm just refreshing my skincare a little. And then I grabbed the Isle Glow from K-Skin and it has like that bronze in it. And it gives your skin that like sun glow, not suntan. So I'm just gonna gel up my brow hairs. I feel like this one doesn't gel like how the e.l.f. Brow Freeze gels because that one like sticks. Then while I wait for that, I always start my makeup with bronzer. For bronzer today, just because I'm trying to finish this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, this isn't my favorite if I'm gonna be honest. I feel like it dries down really fast and looks patchy and it's really messy on my fingers whenever I have to like open and close it. And there's like barely any product in it. And I feel like I'm just happier using my other bronzers and I feel like this just looks patchy. I don't know, that's my honest opinion about the Charlotte Tilbury wand. I love the blushes. I think the blushes are so cute. It's just the bronzer, you have to do it like section by section or else it dries down too fast. And it's just messy. Like, I always have to use a napkin on my hands after I use it. So tonight, me and my boyfriend and then a group of our friends are going to this fun little like bar downtown. We're switching up the scene because we've been going to kind of like the same places for a while and we're tired of it. We want to switch it up a little. The only bummer is like I do love the shade that the Charlotte Tilbury gives. I just kind of wish it didn't dry down as fast and be as like patchy. Next up is concealer, and Kylie Cosmetics was so sweet and sent me the PR package for the new Plush concealers. So that's what I've been using lately and I really like it. I've just learned that a little goes a long way with them, so I don't need to necessarily like apply as much as I would. And the brush is literally so perfect because of how like triangular it is. You can get into like every crevice, like right, look at that, right up in there. My favorite thing that Kylie had in her old line before she like reformulated everything was her Kyliner, because the felt tip was so thin that you could get the sharpest little thin line and it was perfect. I had the brown and the black one and I was literally obsessed with it, and then when I ran out of it, she wasn't selling them anymore. But I saw something the other day that she's now selling them again and it's in the new like packaging. I'm like, if this is true, I need to get on it because that was my favorite liner. Like, it was so easy. My liner always looked so good. My next step is easy. I use the Youthforia like skin tint and I only use a little bit because I already have kind of my base, so I just want product that will kind of help even out my skin tone and everything. Okay, then I'm going in with the iconic London liquid blush, and this is in the shade Rose Riot, and it's like that perfect little pink blush, and a lot always comes out, so I always end up having to like rapidly blend it in. But it's just like a subtle little blush. Okay, then I set my face because I've done kind of all like the base building, and I always go in with the Jaclyn X Robin Sheer Light setting powder. It's the best setting powder. As soon as I started using it, I didn't stop because it's just, if you have dry skin, it gives that perfect like glow, but also sets your T-zone so well. And then I take the under eye Banana Bright. Usually I use the Rare Beauty under eye brightener, but the last few times I just forget to put it on after concealer. So I always make sure if I forget to go in with that brightener just to like add some caffeine. Big shocker, all the powders for my face towards the end are usually Jaclyn. This is the translucent powder. It's gotten a lot of love, as you can tell, but I just put it in the rest of my T-zone and right here just to sharpen up this area. You see that? How it just kind of cleans it up a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now that that's all done, I just do my final few steps is go into with some powder, bronzer, blush. If I feel like adding a highlight, I'll add a highlight, and then I do my lips and my eyebrows. And then if I want to end up doing, like, I'm not going to apply eyeshadow tonight, but if I want to do like lower lash mascara or add some white in the lower lash mascara, like that would be the time that I would do that. Okay, and then I go in with the Jaclyn Pink Pop. This is like the most perfect little pink. And it really does give that like pink pop. Gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Soar. And then I go in with the Kylie High Gloss in the shade Kylie, because those are like an insane perfect match. I feel like I do want a little glow, so I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Glow, and this one's in the shade Enlighten. I'm just gonna do like a little dot on my nose and then up the bridge, a little bit on like the high points of my cheek. I'm just gonna tap it in like that. I can't tell if I want to do lower lash mascara yet or not. Okay, and then I use the Morphe brow setter just to really lock those babies in place. I feel like I am gonna do a little bit of white liner and lower lash mascara because I really feel like that's gonna finish off the look. Gosh, I used to swear by white liner. I used to do it every day in my Get Ready With Me's on TikTok. Okay, we're going roller, just a little, nothing too crazy. I almost, look at how similar my hairspray and my makeup setting spray is. Like, yes, they're different sizes, but that's way too similar for just a quick grab. Makeup is done. We're gonna give a little curl to my lash clusters. The curl is always so crucial to like just revamping the lashes. Let's take out these thermal rollers. See, that's more like it. That's exactly the kind of look I was going for. Okay, yeah. That is much more like it. Okay, I'm gonna spray that with a little hairspray, give it a little zhuzh. When in doubt, literally just thermal roll it. That's the hair and makeup. I'm gonna come back when the outfit and everything's all done because my camera's about to die. Okay, I'm uploading a TikTok right now, which is the TikTok that is for this look. I wanted to give you guys like a final look. Again, my camera is about to die. But this is what I'm wearing. Tough showcase of it, but I'm wearing the Chrome Archive shirt and then just some Levi jeans and then whatever shoes I end up feeling like wearing. But yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I love you. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Be safe. Bye, beauties.